In this video, I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to connect your 12-volt inverter to one of your 12-volt batteries. When you connect it, normally you're going to see a spark, and that's because the capacitors inside of the inverter actually need to charge up a bit, so there's this momentary spark. So in order to reduce that, to actually completely get rid of it, you can use one of these. So what I discovered recently is that you can actually do it for free by using one of the bulbs that you might already have in your neighbor's car or either in your own car. I believe that these are called Festoon bulbs. I'm not quite familiar with all the tech of the actual bulbs that go into these cars, but this has got a tungsten filament in it. So if I zoom in a bit, so you can see inside this bulb, there's a tiny tungsten filament, and essentially you can actually use these. Now, these bulbs are quite common. They're in most cars. They're the ones that turn on when you open a door. Basically, don't need to use a resistor or buy them online if you don't want to, or you can either go to a local hardware shop. You can also get them on AliExpress and Amazon. They're very common. And also, when I was trying to jumpstart a battery in another video, you can see that the spark that happens on a 24-volt pack is much, much larger. If you're going for a 24-volt pack and you want to connect a 24-volt inverter to a 24-volt battery, you will need to get a 24-volt Festoon bulb. So when you're going for these tiny little Festoon bulbs, make sure you go for a low wattage one because that'll create more resistance. The higher wattage ones don't. And I recommend only go for the filament ones. Don't go for the ones that are LED. LED won't work for this trick. You need to use these tungsten filament ones or incandescent. These are the old classic ones. The thing I really like about these bulbs, when you're connecting the positive cable from your battery, like this 12-volt battery here, when you're connecting it up and then you connect it up to the inverter, you actually see a visual confirmation as to when the spark inside, because the light will absorb that amperage and then it will slowly fade. And then that will give you a visual confirmation that you can now connect safely your inverter to the battery. So I definitely like this trick. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I have other videos, so like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in another video.